Hi, this is Matt with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we'll be showing you how to repair your appliance. Remember, anytime you work on an appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video we're going to show you how to change out the Whirlpool refrigerator light switch. It's going to be a very easy repair and should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. If you already have one of these, great. If not, you can click on the link below or get it at AppliancePartsPros.com. When you open up the package, you're going to get the new light switch and a spacer. The main reason you'll be changing out the light switch is if the contacts inside the switch burned out, and when you open and close the door, the light doesn't come on. In order to get the part out, we have to take out this control panel section. It's held in by 4 screws, and we have to take this trim off the front to get the other 2 off. They're 1/4 inch screws, so we'll do the back 2 first. Alright, the next thing you have to do is take a small screwdriver and pop these knobs out. And then we can go ahead and get behind this front trim and pop it off. Be very careful when you're taking it off, you don't want to break it. Now that we have the front panel off, we can take out these 2 screws to get access to inside. Now that we have the 4 screws out, we have access to all the parts inside. Alright, in order to get the light switch out, we have to first disconnect the wires. If you have to, use a small screwdriver to help pop them off the connections. The double yellow one was on the top, and the black one was on the bottom. Once you have the wires disconnected, there's 2 little pressure clips, one on each side of the switch, that you need to press in, and then you can pull the light switch out. Once you have them both released, you can pull the light switch out, and we can put the new one in. Here's the old light switch next to the new light switch. If you already have one of these, great. If not, you can get it from AppliancePartsPros.com. The new light switch comes with a spacer that in certain applications has to be used, but we're not going to use it in ours. Alright, in order to put the new light switch in, all we have to do is put it into the hole. We want to make sure that the terminals go this way, to the left. The wires are on the left, not the right. So all we have to do is slide it in through the hole and press it into place. And then we can reconnect the wires. The black one was on the bottom, and the double yellow was on the top. Alright, now that we're done with the repair, we can put the control panel back together. All we have to do is lift it up into place and put in the 1/4 inch screws. The 2 with the big washers go underneath. And then we can put the control panel back on. Alright, the last thing we have to put on is the control knobs. Remember the one with the funky back is the refrigerator control. On the top is the narrow part, and on the bottom is the wide part. So we're going to make sure this narrow part goes towards the top and the wide part is towards the bottom. Wherever your control happens to be lined up, it may be a little bit different, but you just have to look in there to see. And then on the freezer control, just a D-shaped knob. So we're going to get the flat right there and match up the flat and put it in. And you just want to make sure, since we took this all apart, you can turn these to make sure they spin freely, and then set it to whatever you want for your refrigerator. Now that you're done repairing your refrigerator, you can plug it back in, make sure that it starts to cool off, and that the temperatures return to normal. Thanks for joining us for another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. Check out our other repair videos on our site, Facebook, and YouTube.